Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Rob back here, man, with another unboxing for you guys. I feel like I just been getting mad stuff lately, but nah, I needed a new monitor for the PC I unboxed. Or if you guys didn't catch that video, my new PC that I got from NZXT, new build PC, 3070 with a Ryzen 7 5800X in there. If you haven't checked that video out, it will be in the description or in the video in one of the corners. There's no telling. But today we got the ASUS ROG Strix. This is the XG279Q. As you guys can see, it doesn't have a Q on the box, but this is my first time owning anything Republic of Gamers, and I've heard good things, so I had to try it out. So as you can see, open the box, you got everything. One thing about this monitor, the box, I don't know, it was just smooth, super smooth. The styrofoam just came out smooth compared to a lot of other monitors I've owned. But here you just got some manuals, your typical ASUS directions, following guides, basically show you how to mount your you guys know what I'm talking about. Damn, your monitor stand. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But yep, you got all of that. Now, disclaimer, I did pay for this with my own money. Nobody sponsored the video. ASUS didn't sponsor the video, nothing. You already know my channel's too small for that, but I had to throw that in there because this is an expensive monitor. I got mine for $569 on Amazon, and from the time I've had it, what I say is worth it. It just depends on the person, honestly. But here you got all your cables needed: USB, HDMI, DisplayPort cable. Of course, you getting a monitor like this, you most likely gonna be running DisplayPort. But a couple of things about this monitor. It is 2560 by 1440p, so 2K. I needed a 2K monitor. I was thinking about 4K, but 4K at the Hertz I need, the FPS I need, is pretty expensive right now. So sweet spot is 1440p. So this is a fast IPS monitor, and it is overclockable to 170 Hertz. I haven't been running it on 170. I've just been running the standard 144 Hertz, and it's been super smooth on Call of Duty, The Division, Destiny, Battlefield. And right here is a back plate for your ports. I actually don't even keep mine on because I feel it's just easier to access for me, and I mean, it's behind it at that, so nobody's really gonna see. But here we got the monitor, and I just have to say, this monitor, it really is a beautiful monitor. They do have different versions, well, just one other version, and that's the actual monitor stand right there. The other version basically doesn't have the LED light, and I think it's like $70 or $100 cheaper, something like that. But I wanted the light. I love it. Yeah, that was just my personal preference. But this is G-Sync and FreeSync compatible. They advertise that it has extreme low motion blur sync, ELMB sync. Basically, I haven't tested that out. And also HDR, which is HDR 400, which you know, not really HDR, I guess that's what a lot of people say. But I will have a link in the description, guys, where you can get this monitor so you can actually see for yourself, you know. Or if you have a store near you that has the monitor, I would definitely recommend checking it out. But I know it's I know it's like a competitor, or it's like his little brother of the, was it the PG279Q? If I'm not mistaken. That monitor is like $1,000 though, and this one, it's a little bit cheaper. Still pretty expensive, because there are some other options, but still expensive. But here, guys, I'm just testing out the monitor and play some Cold War for you, and let you guys see how the monitor looks.
Strength even on the ground in the OC. Weaver, Requiem Disruptor satellite in position, ready to tether Apex HVT. Our team's on route to the uplink. We'll bring the Dimensional Disruptor online.